Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure Telegram is updated and you are signed in. This ensures search indexes are current. Once done, grant required permissions so Telegram can access chats and media. Now tap the search field at the top of the main screen. This opens global search across chats and channels. You will see recent searches and suggestions immediately. Use this entry point, global versus in chat search, because choosing the right scope changes what messages appear and speak. Once you have the search field open, type keywords and use quotes for exact phrases to reduce noise. Make sure to try a hashtag or username to find posts and mentions quickly. These act like anchors. If results are too broad, tap a specific chat, open its menu and choose Find in Chat to restrict results to that conversation. On desktop, you can jump to a date or filter by media type. These options help you locate older messages much faster than scrolling manually. Now inspect the message result to confirm context. Once satisfied, forward it or save it to saved messages for quick access. If you need a record, export the chat on desktop via settings. This preserves search results and attachments. For privacy, clear local history in a chat or adjust privacy settings to remove traces. If you encounter missing or outdated results, make sure Telegram is updated and synced. If that fails, log out and back in or reinstall to force reindexing and restore accurate search behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.